John's talking about volatility. And,
yeah, and
look,
we're watching it.
Yeah, so the one that we look at for volatility is the VIX, which is just on the right-hand column. The VIX is down 3.1, but it's an index of only 30, well, I say only, it was 713 the other day. It's 16, and now it's 34.
Yeah.
So,
that gives you an idea, right?
Yeah.
And the VIX is called the volatility index, but when you're talking to ordinary people, we call it the fear index too, right? It's a measure of how much things are swinging around, and it tends to move up when people get scared or when they're uncertain about what's going to happen.
116% rise on Monday. Now it's coming off the top. John Defteris was just saying gold is also down. I'm guessing that if you see volatility come down and you see gold also.
Yeah, it was weird though. Gold was, we're going to have to wait till things shake out a little bit, right? Because gold,
am I looking for certainty where none exists?
Yes, because gold should have been rallying as people flooded to the safe haven, but the dollar is getting in the way there a little bit. And we were all, stocks were selling off because people were worried bond yields were rising, but now treasury yields are moving down because people are going there as a safe haven. Right now it's all in flux. I think in a couple of days we'll get a little better sense of a pattern and where people think it is. Right now there's a lot of cross currents and a lot of people who were stuck in trades that have to get out of them. They were taken by surprise yesterday, so you're seeing that happen, which also could muddy the waters a bit.
I think you just made one of the best points I've heard of the day. No, I mean...
No one knows what's going on?
Well, yeah, no. The reality of the yields, yeah. You had yields going up on Friday, you then had them coming back down again, but you've got a dollar play going on as well because of safety and security.
And just to underscore that the idea that when people are caught by surprise, especially if you are investing on money you borrowed, that's going to get called in, and you've got to cover those positions. So you're going to sell what you own, even sell your winners. So you were talking about, why is Exxon down that much when there's no fundamental reason? Well, if the reason was you needed to cover your debt that you used to buy Bitcoin, then that explains why Exxon's down. So you've got to have some of that shake out before you get a sense of where people feel the market should be.